Hi guys, it's your girl Alicia and we're back with another video. Right now we're about to do some baked rice.
Yeah, you are my African queen.
So these are the ingredients we are going to be using: egg, milk, cheese, seasoning, different types of seasoning. You could use any kind of seasonings for your flavor. Also cheese, rice, and also bell peppers and any other thing that you want to add to it, corn, whatever, just to make the rice nice. So now we're going to add in the butter for it to melt. And after adding the butter, then we're going to add in the milk. After adding in the milk, then we're going to be adding in the cheese and all that to get that creamy texture. So right now we're going to be adding in all our different seasoning, all our flavoring, everything to mix in to the texture. And then we're going to just take like 1 spoon of flour, mix it with water, and then add it to the paste so that it could get a little thicker. Thank you. So now we're going to add our cream cheese paste to the rice and then mix well. And after we're done, then we're going to beat the egg up, the 2 eggs, and then we're going to add it into the rice. That's what keeps the rice together.